Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from LENOVO Tab E10 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Following that, in this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of Lenovo. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Lenovo, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can select multiple files to transfer. When you're ready, tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. Then hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key, click on Input key section and type in type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then tap on Receive button and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!